It helps that I turn the right burner on. Oh, and I lost my knob. Now I'm putting a band-aid on. How exciting. Sausages are frozen. Hey, give me more subscribers. I've only recently gotten this Prado, so my lithium house battery is not yet wired up. Luckily, there is a 150 watt inverter in the back of the car to keep my food cool while driving. It doesn't keep it cool all the time, but it does act as a bit of an esky when I'm not using the car. This is also the first time I'm testing out my new folding camping kitchen, and a couple other bits and pieces like my elastic clothesline and a few other things I've picked up along the way. If you would like to see more of an in-depth look at my Prado and my camping setup, I don't really speak much about this in the video, but if you'd like to see more of it, just go ahead and subscribe and just make sure you comment as well so I can kind of get a gauge on what you guys want to see. Some extra gear I took with me include my Fujifilm X100V, Garmin InReach Mini, Nikon D5600 with my 18-55mm kit lens for filming, and a GME TX677 which I recently picked up, and it's a little 2-watt handheld UHF. I also brought some mounts for my Osmo Action which I didn't end up using, and a Rode Video Micro for some better sound quality on my camera. After packing the car, I met my mate Alex to start our trip. We noticed the windmills were not turning that day and commented on the high practicality of this power source. Most drivers obey the speed limit on our way to set up camp. We found a nice spot near a creek to set up camp. Unfortunately, my new swag got held up at the distribution centre, hashtag first world problems, so my trusty tent was used once again. Later that night, we began to make dinner, and this is what unfolded. That tomato sauce feels frozen. Tomato sauce slushy.
You put it in the fridge, do you?
Well, yeah. Oh, tomato sauce goes in the fridge.
What?
What do you think? What do you do?
No way, mate.
What?
It's on my pantry shelf at home.
Well,
Alright, let me just go to my fridge.
I'm gonna have to leave that one in the YouTube, and then people can comment down below. Do you put your tomato sauce in the cupboard, or do you put it in the fridge? And if you're a sane person, you'll say the fridge. Let's do it. It helps that I turn the right burner on. There we go. Maximum power. Look at it go. Ooh. Ooh.
Got a bit of a slope here, right?
Yeah, my butter's definitely sloping to one side. Not gonna lie.
Nah.
Not many bugs around at the moment.
Nah, that's it.
Sausages are frozen.
Yours are?
Yep. It's going well.
So far, so good.
Oh mate, yours is already pretty much cooked.
Yeah.
You don't mess around, eh?
Nah, this steak might take a little bit longer though.
Yeah, my sausages are still frozen. They might have to be seconds, I reckon.
Yeah, potentially. 10 o'clock smack.
Hey, this is living right here. Don't believe a word if anyone tells us it's not.
Yeah.
It's getting hotter on one side than the other.
Yeah.
What's going on here? That's experience. I've been camping a whole 4 times in my life. That's experience right there.
Yeah, nice.
I've already made a mess of this table.
Hey?
I think my sausage might need first aid.
Which kit does that one belong to?
It'd be cuts and wounds. Oh, and I lost my knob. So I'm ready to go.
Let it infuse.
Oh,
How's that for a word?
infuse. I like that. High level teacher, high level history geography teacher.
Yeah, infuse. Just cooked to perfection. Salad. I mean,
So what was it specifically about your food that was delicious?
probably the beer, I think.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
or the beer battered?
steak.
Oh.
Yeah, that was good. Infuse that, bit of salad, bit of cheese. Awesome.
Amazing. Well done.
I'll do it again.
Well done.
Oh, yeah.
And for my part, yeah, it wasn't too bad. Yeah, it was pretty delicious, and yeah, the sausages were overcooked, but you know, everything tastes better on camp, so there you go. I wasn't even recording that whole time. Oh no, oh no, I just wiped a whole pile of blood off me, and we're going to be reviewing a first aid kit. That's the highlights and cut. Now I'm putting a band-aid on. How exciting. Yay, give me more subscribers.
Sign them up.
Sign them up. Sign them up for more subscribers, please. Yay. Oh, I'm already bleeding again.
Give them a long-term deal.
Give him a 5-year contract. I'm signing a 5-year contract with YouTube. It was a beautiful morning, and my bird alarm clock was right on time as usual. Everyone was up bright and early, as you can see. After making a cup of tea, we went for a walk to a waterfall where we were joined by a very friendly couple. My regret was not shooting more video on this trip. I was second guessing myself with whether or not I would turn this into a video. If this is something you would like to see more of, let me know in the future and I'll take more time and care into shooting this style of video. For now, it will remain as a great memory that we have shared with you too. Stick around for the end of the video where I'll be showing some of the photos that I took on this trip. My gracious exit concluded a peaceful early morning swim. If you would like to see more photos, make sure you follow my Instagram @NorthOzPhotography.